Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up XTM Tunnel VPN, a useful app designed to enhance your online privacy and browsing stability. Whether you're aiming for a safer internet experience or just want a smoother connection, this app offers flexible protocol support and fast, reliable servers that can help improve your connection. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the search bar and type XTM Tunnel VPN. Step 3. In the search results, locate the correct app by its icon and tap on it. Step 4. Press the install button and wait for the download and installation to complete. Step 5. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. Step 6. You may be asked for permission to send notifications. You can allow or skip this depending on your preference. Step 7. Ensure your device is connected to the internet so the app can update its available servers. It may refresh automatically when complete. Configuring XTM Tunnel VPN. Step 8. On the main screen, you'll find two key sections. One for selecting a server. Another for choosing a protocol or connection type. Step 9. Tap on the server section and choose a location that fits your preferences or connection goals. Step 10. Then, tap on the protocol or tweak section to explore the available options. These include different methods of connection suited to various networks. Step 11. For more experienced users, you can enable custom settings to access protocols like V2RAY, SSL, or slow DNS. These options may require advanced knowledge or specific configurations. Step 12. Once everything is set, return to the main screen and tap the Start button. Within a few seconds, you should see a connection notification confirming that you're now browsing securely through the VPN. Wrap up. And that's it! You've successfully set up XTM Tunnel VPN on your Android device. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of our tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and remember, always browse safely and responsibly.